Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that continues to grind higher here. Bespoke Investment Group came out a couple of days ago. Longest period in history that the S&P hasn't had a 3% pullback, basically since pre-Trump election. So we just continue to head higher, it seems like, every day. Not up big days, but certainly just grinding higher. Also entering into a seasonally bullish period, end of the month, turn of the month, normally bullish, obviously December as well. So be interesting to see what, if anything, can derail this rally going into year end. Otherwise, taking a look at a couple stocks that absolutely got a little bit derailed here. One being Squared, that a couple days ago got absolutely clobbered after going parabolic on some over hype on crypto here. Stock got all the way up to the $48 range, pulled back close at 41, now trying to grind higher here. Implied vol up over 90 now, so I'm using that. Selling January 48.50 call spreads, just looking for that stock to struggle to break the new highs over the next couple months. Plus, with implied vol up here, able to capture about 40 cents on about a $2 spread. So looking at about a 25% return if Square stays below 48. Another stock looking at is Alibaba. This one is another one that kind of made the new highs, pulled back not nearly as much, but going out to regular December monthly options, selling the 202.50 call spread again, collecting somewhere around 40 cents. Just looking for Baba not to break out meaningfully to new highs. Otherwise, looking at HIMAX, H-I-M-X, that continues to power higher here. More and more unusual call activity. I'm going out to March. Stock last I look about 13.20. Buying the $13 calls. This stock has had takeover chatter. We see enormous repeat call buying, so I'm following along with those big call buyers, but giving myself plenty of time, plus time to sell some shorter term options if the stock does start to stall out here. I'm looking for a stock to stall out. Taking a look at Roku that got upgraded to a $50 price target. Stock's already at 48, so I'm actually buying the traditional $48 puts in December, right at the money, selling this week's $47 puts, capturing about a 9-point implied vol edge on that. The shorter term options are pumped, big time unusual volume there, mostly on the call side, but because of put call parity, obviously both puts and calls inflated here. So looking for the stock just to kind of settle down here and looking for that term structure volatility to revert back to its normal shape. Otherwise, I think it's not a bad time to be looking to maybe trim out of some of your positions here from a tax standpoint, maybe replace with some calls that won't be a taxable problem. But I think with implied volatility this low, using option strategies to mirror kind of a stock strategy makes a heck of a lot of sense. Last I looked, the VIX well back below 10, so options are cheap, cheap, cheap. So until next time, as always, here's the good trading. Take care.